You don't need big changes to change your life. In fact, 90% of your transformation comes from small, invisible habits you barely notice. You know you could be better, but something always slows you down. You start, then stop. You get motivated, then fade out. Your goals feel heavy. Your energy drops, and the cycle repeats. It's not your fault. Your brain runs on one rule: small habits, small wins, small dopamine, big momentum. If a habit feels too big, your brain freezes. Too hard, maybe later. But when a habit is small, your engine lights up and momentum explodes. That's why today, you're going to start 3 tiny habits that create massive impact. Your day begins with identity, and identity shapes behavior. Every morning, say one line: I behave like the person I want to become. Who do you want to be? Focused? Disciplined? Committed? Your brain listens. Your behavior follows. Your identity shifts. Big goals intimidate you. Small wins transform you. Every day, earn 1 micro win. Just 1. Write 1 sentence. Do 3 push-ups. Clean your desk. Take a 30-second breath. Micro wins prove one thing: I can move. And movement changes everything. 80% of your chaos comes from unfocused moments. Before every task, lock in 2 minutes of pure focus. No phone, no noise, no multitasking. Just 2 minutes. Because a tuned brain is an unstoppable brain. These 3 habits aren't small, they're foundational. Identity reset, micro win, focus lock. Stack them, and your entire system upgrades. The version of you that you admire, it won't magically appear. You build that version with small decisions, small habits, small wins, tiny steps, massive direction shift. That's how transformation works. Start today with 3 tiny changes: 1 identity shift, 1 micro win, 1 2-minute focus lock. Do this for 90 days, and you won't even recognize yourself. If you want the next step of your transformation, like this video, save it, and come back for the next episode.